guys, so we haven't got that many things yet for university moving in 1 or 2 weeks. Today's the 6th. We're moving out on the 17th, so like almost 2 weeks, I guess. 2 weeks until I move out, and so far we have not gotten that many things. Firstly, because we already have a lot of the things. Like, my mom has some of the things from, like, for the kitchen. She has some extras, which I'm gonna get. And other than that, we bought some things, so I'm gonna show you what we already bought. So first, we have this pan to obviously cook the breakfast that I'm probably not gonna cook because I'm gonna be rushing out of the door every morning. But this is the pan. Now we have this gigantic, trying to see what it's called because I don't speak English. Okay, I'll just call it a pot. Okay, this is the pot. We bought this pot. It's huge because we're gonna cook rice and we're gonna cook the soup that goes with the rice. And yeah, this is okay. We can actually see. Okay, 14 pounds for this. I don't know if that's good or bad. My mom bought it, so I'm still not living the independent life. Yeah, pot, pan, and then we have these pots. Oh, okay. We'll call them a storage set because calling this a pot and this a pot does not work. These many storage airtight pieces. Okay, these many storage airtight pieces. We bought these, and these are actually pretty cool. Like, look at that. The shade. There's like, what is it called? Blending? I don't know. Like look. So this is for obviously cooking the food on a Saturday and then leaving the food in the fridge for the rest of the week. That's all we bought. Like I said, wait, actually, no. Wait. We also bought pillow. So yeah, we bought this pillow. Feels like down, medium support, from Primark. Apparently it's from Primark for £8. So yeah, that's all we got for now. Since we are moving to London, the things that I've already sort of like prepared are, I've already started a student bank account with Santander. Look, I don't know how to say it, but I've been calling it Santander. So I made a student account with those because you get a free rail card for 3 years. I forgot, but you get a free rail card. And yeah, that's basically the only reason why I made a student bank account with them. So now I have a student bank account with Santander and I have a normal account with Barclays. And I tried to get the Oyster card, but my sort of region where my university is not like in the regions where then the Oyster card is kind of, you're not qualified to get an Oyster card if you go to my university basically and you don't live in the center of London. So I don't know if you can hear the sound of the rain or not. You know, I used to get really depressed when it rains, or yeah, basically when it rains or when the sky is gray. Especially since like I used to live in the Middle East where the sun was every day, and if you get a bit of rain, it was like the best day of your life there. After I came back from Turkey, I don't feel depressed anymore looking at the gray sky or just the rain outside. Like, I used to be more, like, it used to ruin my day if it rained, and I used to just be like, oh, hopefully tomorrow it's sunny so I can get that happy hormone. I literally had seasonal depression. But now, I don't know why, I suddenly am like, oh, nice, okay, rain, okay, sun, okay, like, everything is normal. I don't know, I guess you just get used to it. And I'm glad I got used to it. So far we have the pot, the cooking pot, and we bought the 5-piece airtight storage set. We're just gonna call it that because we don't know the names. Cases? What are they called? I don't know, man. They ask you how you are, you just also got a pan, and we got a pillow. That's all we bought, and the rest of the stuff we already have. But when I'm gonna pack and put everything together, definitely film a video then, because I feel like right now I have zero content to share with the world, because like I'm just living at my parents' house in my tiny toilet. Used to be a toilet room, and no, actually it wasn't a toilet. That was my old room. My old room used to be a toilet, but then, you know, it was renovated or whatever. Yeah. Anyway, we move up the ladder. Now we got this really smaller than the toilet room. We got a really small room, and living at my parents' and living in Manchester, like, there's nothing to film. Nowhere to go. My bus pass just expired. And that means we need to pay to get on the bus and go to places now, which is no. We are not doing that. So other than that, before starting university, I decided to just chill out before we start. So I've just been journaling, relaxing. Here I'm making a list for things I need to take when I go there. And other than that, I've been cleaning my makeup, because that article came out about how your makeup might be dirtier than your toilet. And so that's got me cleaning my makeup. And also I'm that type of person that just needs to clean their stationery every 2 weeks. And you know, I just want a fresh start when I go to university.